Yo, traders! The 5 necessities of trading success in 1 minute. Let's go! 1. Risk management. This is the only area where you are the boss. The market cannot take what you do not give. It's about time you get serious about the risk you take. 2. Your trading plan. Your trading plan is your marriage contract. Honor it all the days of your life and you will live a life of freedom and wealth. If you stick to the contract, you have nothing to worry about. 3. Taking losses like a pro. At this point, you need to humble yourself, drop the ego, and accept you're wrong. Stop revenge trading. It only leads to losses. The market will still be there tomorrow. 4. Be a lifelong learner. The only way to become one of the greatest is to always keep improving. Never stop your trading education. If you are unsure of something, backtest it. 5. Your emotions. Your emotions are the only thing standing between you and your trading discipline. Remember, discipline is doing what you have to, even if you don't feel like doing it. Do not let your emotions mess things up. Thanks for watching.